Wait, what? Most of you are not mining the Tappio App airdrop. Really? Let's fix this right away. Open your Google Play Store and search for the Tappio app. This is the app you're looking for. Click on install and click on open. Whoa, you guys haven't hopped on this the whole time. So this is what you see when you open the app newly, okay? So you either create a new wallet or you import an existing wallet. So if you don't have a wallet before, you can create a new wallet, but then if you do, you can import. Okay, so we'll just click on create a new wallet. And then they will show us our secret recovery phrase. I won't show you guys, sorry. But this is important for your wallet safety. So you just select, I have stored my phrase safely. Of course, never share your phrase with anyone, okay? So turn on notifications if you want to be reminded about minings and stuff. Just agree to secure your wallet, agree to the terms and conditions. Just like that, you have automatically registered on the Tappio App airdrop, okay? So this is your dashboard literally, right? So the next thing you just do is start mining. Here kind of uses ads to gain revenue. So each time you click on the minings and the boosts, you have to watch an ad, before the mining gets going. But it doesn't take too long, so you can just wait. Alright guys, and automatically you have started mining the Tappio app. So you can see at the top, you are mining at a rate of 2 tap per hour, guys. And when you just register, you have a total balance of 500 Tappio coins. Okay, now note that these coins are not fungible yet. And now if you want to also boost your mining speed, you just click on this and it will load another ad for you to, boost, okay? So there it is. Then the boost actually has a cooldown of 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, you can still watch under ad to boost you some more. You can see that the tap per hour increased from just 2 to 2.2. And the more you keep on watching ads, the more it boosts, okay? So here is the leaderboard. As you can see, many people have started before us, and we have to be serious to be able to climb up on the leaderboard. And yeah, I guess your consistency should pay. Then this is where you can add friends. Alright, you can share your own referral link through here, and you can also request friendship from people. To actually get a bonus, just use my referral link, like let's say Tar. You see, it sends a friend request to the friend you are trying to add, okay? And then if the friend sees the request, he can get back to you, and then you both earn a bonus, right? So here is where you can, in the settings page, you can manage your profile, security, notification, support, about who they are. You can even reset the wallet if you don't want it anymore, right? So you just go to your profile. This is where you can actually change and set your username, okay? And also change your avatar. So this, let's use the username. Okay, so this is our username, and you click on save. You choose an avatar you'd love to use, and if you refresh, this is your new dashboard, okay? So that's pretty much everything on the Tappio airdrop, okay? So as you can see, we can still choose to boost again if we want to do that. For each friend that is active, you get a boost in your mining speed, guys. So endeavor to share this to your friends, and if your friends had already joined and you did not know, just click here and check for their username here. Okay, so when they receive or when they accept your friend request, you two can be mining together and be mining faster too. Now, a little overview of the airdrop. Now, Tappio is a mobile-first Web3 platform that rewards users through a simple tap-to-earn model designed for easy use. How the airdrop works: phase 1 is daily mining sessions. Okay, so for the mining you're doing, it's once per day. You don't have to come checking it like every time of the day. You just click on it 5 a.m. today, come tomorrow, click on it at the same time, just watch one ad and you're good to go. Okay, as you can see, the earning rate, as we saw, is 2 taps per hour. That is 48 taps per day. Okay, so the bonus boost is by watching ads, and it gives you like 0.2 tap per hour boost. And also, if you refer a friend, you get 0.5 tap per hour boost. Okay, so why you should participate now is still early, and their mining phase uses 40% of the total supply, and these guys have 400 million, guys. 400 million tap tokens is a lot to go around for everybody. Phase 2 is an on-chain launch. It hasn't come yet, but will be informed on their Twitter. Now, tokens are not yet tradable, of course. See here on their Twitter channel that they are being active, guys. Unfortunately, it's the app is not yet available to iOS users yet. It's just available on the Google Play Store. So if you have an Android, I'll on it right away. If you are using an iOS device, then hang around, because immediately they publish the app, I'll let you guys know, okay? So you can see here on their page, they are live and they are active. Their last post was 2 hours ago, guys. You get it? Some projects just abandon their followers, but in this case, their last post was 2 hours, so they're active. You can see you can use the boost button as much as you want. It just has a 30-second cooldown, so you can boost your mining speed to as much as high as you want. Okay, so this is the link to download it on your Android phone. But they also have community events, so good for you. Come here on their Twitter page, you can just see their link tree. This link tree takes you to their Discord and their other social handles. If you want to get more update concerning this airdrop, guys, follow me on my Twitter, subscribe so that whenever I put a video, you will not miss it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.